Well, look at these pretty flowers I purchased. Happy Father's Day to all the daddies. Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Judy, curator and storyteller behind the brand IllPrepared Vintage, a space where vintage style meets real life. If you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome! Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So if you're into content like sourcing and styling vintage, some behind the scenes look on how I run and operate my vintage business, packing orders with love and intention, and just lessons and pivots as I go through the ups and downs of running a business, family life, then this is the channel for you. Welcome. So welcome y'all. So this week I decided to turn on the camera and give y'all a little behind the scenes of what it's like running this vintage shop of mine. It's not always perfect, it's not always pretty, but it's real. I had a few orders this week and a few hiccups and some sweet moments in between. So if you ever been curious about the day-to-day of selling vintage or just how I keep things moving, let's get into it. So these earrings were my final sale of the week, and I always take my time when I pack my orders. These are simple and super small, but every order I ship goes out with care, love, quality. These earrings in particular, I did clean them myself. Normally, depending on the piece, I will outsource and get things repaired. I did that with an item that I also sold this week, and terrible experience. I'll tell you guys later. But anyway, I'll write a quick love letter, which is just a quick thank you note, and wrap them up and make sure they're packed securely and get them out for shipment. So y'all, before I sold these earrings, I did sell this stunning skirt set. I made it to the cleaners, got to drop it off to get them clean and ready for my customer. However, I could not pick them up and the deadline was on me. When I tell you guys do things in advance, try to do things in advance, because I was supposed to take these to the cleaners a month ago and I didn't. But luckily, my hubby came through in the last minute and in the clutch, picked it up for me, and I was able to get it out on time. So just remember, it's moments like these, things happen, and you always should be prepared in advance, and I wasn't, so I almost paid the price for it, but I didn't. Thank you, hubby. Love you. The chunky belt that I sold, and I took it to a repair person. Bad idea. Guys, when I got it back, it was sloppy. It was rushed. I was so disappointed, y'all. I didn't feel good about shipping it to the customer, so I issued a refund. My customer was super understanding, but I still felt bad, and I offered an additional discount so they could use anytime next time they purchase with me. So y'all, once the earrings are packed, I made my usual run to the post office, but I had to go to a different post office because my regular post office closed at 1 and I was running behind, y'all. So the next post office that I went to was the main one, and that closed at 3. So I made it there with like minutes to spare, but I made it. It's moments like these that, like, yo, I really do love the journey and I do love the hustle and the grind, but like, I really gotta get better with time management. guys, now all these orders are out. Now I can focus on what's dropping next, getting the next items listed. And I'm probably gonna list this skirt set, which is super beautiful, bold, soft, and I want to get it out. So I'll probably list her by the end of the week, towards the weekend. So this is the process that I usually focus on after I ship out my orders. I'll get the next items ready, start to steam if I need to steam, clean if I need to clean, repair if I need to repair. So this is my process. This is my time to get things up and get things out. I'm also listing the black leather bag. She will be up as well too. I love a good crossbody bag. They're super reliable, super great for dressing up and dressing down. So she's gonna get listed as well. Guys, this is my season to let go. So I'm gonna be listing so much more. Stay tuned. And then there's these white pumps that I have for a while. They're going up as well. 'Tis the season for letting go. So yeah, y'all, this is what the week looked like for me. I had some wins, I had some L's, but I definitely made the right pivots and just showing up. So if you liked this peek into my process, just let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna come through with some more videos, especially some more style videos. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Later.